The next step in the process of creating your digital portfolio or your ePortfolio is setting up the structure of your website. So if you follow me over to Pages, you basically got three different options over here on this toolbar or column of tools here. So we're going to go into Pages. Now, basically there are what we call two levels. The top level web pages and the secondary web pages. So here's so far your one home page here at the top level. So let's go ahead and change that. We're going to rename that to your first name and last initial, just like so. And when that saves, if you go over to publish, again, you're always saving your work. Basically what that will do when you, when you view that site, you see it pop up in the tab here. So instead of it saying home or anything like that, it's got your name there in the tab. Okay, so let's make our next top level page. This one we're going to go ahead and call 9th grade. And again, this stays at the top level. Okay, so we can go back and change this header type if you want it to change it to a banner. You see that it did not follow that same formatting. So you can go ahead and change image, go back in there. It's kind of monotonous having to go back and change it for every page you develop, but it is in the good habit to continue with that. So right now, this page is going to stay pretty much blank. It's a little bit of a filler page, maybe something we can come back and fill in at the end of the year or along the way. But as of right now, we need it simply for structural purposes. Okay, so your structure matters here. So let's go ahead and we're going to go to our next page. So we're going to add a page. And as a matter of fact, we're going to add all subjects for freshman year, whatever classes you're in. So this might be, obviously the first one would be geotech. Okay, so done. Okay, it did get the formatting there, which is good. It's kind of a mystery to me as to why some are and some don't follow that same pattern. Maybe after your third page, it catches a theme and starts creating it. So anyway, next one we'll make English. Are you in biology? Okay, if you're in biology, go ahead and add that. You might be in a wheel class, and that'll rotate. Okay, and whatever other classes you're currently taking. Now, this is what we mean by structured. You see, as you add web pages up here, they're all on the top levels, which means they're all visible on this top toolbar. So let's go ahead and change that. We want to put all of these subject pages on the secondary level. So let's start with geotech. Let's go ahead and drag and drop that. You see how it highlights the blue box around 9th grade? We're going to drop it into that page. Okay, let's do that again with English. Let's drop it in here. Now, do you want it to go above or below? Well, we'll figure that out along the way. So English. Biology, let's add that one. Your wheel class. All of your classes will show up. Now, as you can see on our toolbar, once I hover over that, because they're all secondary pages now, or literally in this case, under 9th grade, when you hover over that, you see all the different classes. Now, let's suppose that you don't like the order that this is in. Maybe you want to go according to class period. So you have the wheel class first. You can drag that up. Geotech is second, perhaps. Whatever order it is and whatever order you choose, it will model that here. Now, if you don't like the top header bar up here, you can actually change it if you click on this navigation settings, this cog over here, you can change it to side navigation. And what happens there, you see the navigation rows here. You select that, and that's like on my website, that's what I've opted to go with. So theoretically, next year, you'll have a page that looks like this. There we go. So you can see how 9th grade, you'll have all your classes listed. 10th grade, 11th grade, 12th grade. Theoretically, this will be an ongoing project throughout your all 4 years here at Santana High School or anywhere in Grossmont Unified. But as of right now, it's only officially required in this class. But hopefully, as the years go on, you'll be able to add to this and add just your best work to all your classes. So that is the designing the structure of your website. Thanks for watching.